So the quality is actually really good. Better than my last video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and rate thumbs up. Peace.